Canceling your AutoDS subscription is a straightforward process. Here's how you can do it. Log into your account. Start by logging into your AutoDS account using your credentials. Navigate to the settings. Once logged in, go to the settings section. This is usually found in the sidebar menu or your account profile dropdown. Select subscription. In the settings menu, look for the subscription or billing option. Click on it to view your current subscription details. Cancel subscription. You should see an option to cancel subscription. Click on this option. Follow the prompts which may ask you to confirm your decision. Provide feedback. Some services may ask for feedback on why you are canceling. This step is optional but can help improve their service. Confirmation. After completing the cancellation process, you should receive a confirmation email regarding your cancellation. Make sure to check your email for this confirmation. Check billing. To ensure that no further charges occur, monitor your billing statement after cancellation.